So we are on our way to Vagamon now. Maybe in the evening we may reach Vagamon. That's a plan for today. So we started from Bangalore yesterday evening or night by around 8 o'clock. So we reached early by 4 o'clock in the morning. So now the time is around 11:30 in the morning. So we are going to start from here. We had a nice breakfast. We packed our lunch and so directly to Vagamon now. Yeah, stay tuned. So Vagamon is basically located in ERTIGA district of Kerala, and which is very famous for its tea garden, pine forest, waterfalls, and mesmerizing meadows, which all makes Vagamon a perfect gateway. So we are on our way to ERTIGA, and we just found a river there. And we just stopped for some time here. So this is Ramu going in the car. So we plan to go there and have some time in water. That's the plan for now. So now the time is around 3 o'clock, and we're planning to reach Vagamon around 5:30 in the evening. We didn't had our lunch. Probably this is a good spot to have a lunch, I think. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಬರುತ್ತಾ ವಿಡಿಯೋಲಿ ನಿಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಸೇಮ್ ಅಂದ ಇದನ್ನೇ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ತೆಗ್ದಿದ್ದ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಫೈನಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಇಲ್ವೇ ಇಲ್ವೋ ನಾನು.
For this comment itself I'll put this video. So this is the beauty of Kerala. We have planned our lunch now. We wanted to have nearby a river, so we have packed already our lunch and got so this is our day one in Kerala on our way to Vagamon. It's a good area to play and enjoy some time. Not very deep, and I think the climate is very good here now. I feel this is the right time to go in and chill sometime. It's been a long time after Corona, all these things, so I think this is the best time to enjoy. It's been a very long time after the Corona, and I think I can spend some good time here and enjoy the spot. I think yeah, it's too good to feel this water. So we have spent some quite lot of time here. You will see our guys enjoying the time here in the river. I don't know what river it is, but it feels good to spend some time here. And what we thought is that we'll have some lunch which is packed from my home, so we'll have somewhere near area, and then we'll move to Vagamon. So it's not sunny today. The climate is not it's not like we not getting rain, or not even having any kind of trouble for travel. It's a bit cool. It's not hot. It's not humid. It's not sunny. It's not rainy. It's a mixed climate. There's a random drizzle. That's it. And it's perfect for a trip at this time. And what I understand is like the water level it is too low at this time, and that really helps us to have some good time here. Yeah, so that's it. It's around now 3:45. So next thing is like we'll move to Vagamon. We'll have some good time there. We spent some good time taking pictures, playing in water for some time, and we all 5 of us felt very refreshing, and we moved to have lunch which was packed from my home. So this is our lunch. We packed from home and got it. So we are having our lunch here. So so beside the river. So it's more like a love from your mom rather than just a parcel. So we started after our lunch and we are around 65 kilometers away. So this is us. So now only she's driving and Ramu is sitting back. So maybe it shows around 65 kilometers and around 2 hours from here. The route to the Vagamon is very beautiful. All the roads are almost narrow. Only up to Thrissur you may get the highways. After that you get only roads like this. But these are very beautiful roads. You can see full green on both sides. And there's no much of traffic. It's a easy movement. And Vagamon is actually now gaining a good tourist attraction, and it is coming up as one of India's topmost adventure tourism spot. There are multiple things it has been offered in Vagamon, includes trekking, rock climbing and paragliding. So we have a plan to go for a paragliding tomorrow. So now the time is almost 5:30. It is getting darker. We are planning to see the sunset on our way. So without Google it may be difficult. The Google was showing multiple routes. We had interactions with multiple local people to find out the best route to avoid traffic, but it still took some time because we stopped in between multiple spots and we came. We have booked the Vagamon Zostel for 5 people for today's night, and it's basically a dormitory. We have booked a 8 people dormitory, and we 5 of us are going to stay in that. And it also offers separate private rooms also, but numbers are very less, but dormitory is more. So actually we came by around 6:30, and all the dormitory here, it was completely booked, and we got 5 beds here for 5 of us. And I couldn't take the video when I came here. The roads were so narrow, it was a bit dark, and it was very difficult for us to drive in that narrow road with a big vehicle like ERTIGA. So I didn't took a video now. That's why I thought like our food is getting prepared, and so I wanted to make a short video or around this place. So the view is very good now, but I could not see completely because it's dark, and there is a huge blush of wind around here, and in between there was no power, and they have switched on the generator there, and the food is getting prepared, and there was only non-veg option, and the veg option was got from a nearby restaurant. We ordered food and that came. So food is getting prepared here. Hi bro, what's your name? Isham. YouTube நல்லதானே வந்தா. It's a good chicken curry. It is ready here, and chapati is cooking up. So this is the kitchen here. We all are here waiting for our chapatis to come. Anything to tell?
With one veg meal here, already ready.
So we got veg meal specially for him. So and he is waiting for us to start our dinner together. This guy is very anxiously sitting here. Timing.
He is so tired driving today.
So the plan is to have dinner. Plan for tomorrow. Planning to go for an early morning trek. Then to the guys here. They will decide and we'll go. That's it. Yeah. Any other things? Signing off for day one.
Signing off from day one. ನಾವು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಹೇಳಿದಾನೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು ಅದು ಎಡಿಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಎಡಿಟಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೆಂಗೂ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ.
So this is our room. This is a moon mala. So you can see our dormitory. So this looks super clean, and these for our beds, and this is also ours. So there are other 3 guys here. We met them in evening, but okay, they are not here now, so we may meet them. So these are it's not working. I don't know why. So this is one washroom. So this is quite clean and neat. So there is one more washroom here. Okay, the similar same kind of washroom. These for around I think 8 people. There are 2 washrooms, and you have a fan here. You have a locker. So we have kept all our things in the cupboards here, and we were spending our time outside. So we thought we'll just spend our time only for sleeping here. And otherwise, in my personal opinion, this looks to be very awesome. For a package of $799 for a night, it looks good, excluding the food I'm taking. And I will take you to the common area there in the up. We couldn't get the first floor, so the common area is on the second floor. We are in the ground floor. So maybe like tomorrow morning we may get the good view around this place, and we'll show you that. So there you can see the watchtower. Maybe tomorrow morning we can see properly. And this is a way to the common area, and our guys has got the food already for them. So maybe like I'll just show that and then go and get my food up. So this is the common area. Here you have TT, caroms, chess, and there are a good place to sit and relax. You get some good wind here. I'm not sure how clear it comes in the night. Also poles are closing. So this is a common area where we can spend good time. Sorry. That's it. We will go get bande. So we'll go and get our food. Yeah, it is ready. Yes, come on, Srihari. These are food. Those guys are already having their food there.
ಯಾರು ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
So this is our dinner. More light here. So that's it. That's it for the day. So we are ending our day with a good dinner. So we had from morning and afternoon food from my home. Now it's a dinner. So the time is around 1 a.m. Of 19 December. It's our day 2. So we just finished playing here, and there's nobody here. It's really calm and quiet now. And coming to the weather now, it's highly windy, and you can see that the structure is literally shaking because all the metal supports are shaking, and we can feel that gush of air when you open a window, or when it just becomes cold very fast, just in a matter of seconds. You can feel that, you can see that how it is. So that's it. We're going to sleep now. So I'm just switching off the light and going for our dormitory. Sleep. Yep. Yeah, that's it. Good night. See you tomorrow. So thanks for watching the video. Keep supporting. So your support means a lot to me. And there are a couple of things coming in the next video. So one is at viewpoint, what you are watching now, and there are other things which we visited in Vagamon. We also had some visit in the waterfall. So everything will be coming in the next part. Thank you. Keep watching, keep supporting. Thank you. So that's our hostel.